Hello children, welcome back to our mathematics class. Hope you are doing well at home. Dear children, in our last video we have seen about integers, addition and multiplication of integers. So what happens while adding the integers with the same signs and opposite signs? Isn't it? See, in today's video, let us see some of the properties of integers. See, along with integers, we have seen about natural numbers, whole numbers, etc. Isn't it? So, in today's video, we will learn about the properties of integers. See, in that, first property is closure property. Closure property. So what is this closure property? See, for example, if you apply this closure property for a set of whole numbers, see, if two whole numbers are closure property of addition, for example, for addition, two whole numbers are added. For example, 3 is one whole number, 5 is another whole number. If you add these two numbers, what is the sum? It becomes 8. 8 is also a whole number. So, sum of two whole numbers is also a whole number. The meaning is sum of whole numbers are closure property. This closure closed. Whole numbers are closed for under addition. We can say whole numbers are closed under addition. Closed under addition. Closure property holds good for addition of whole numbers, but it not holds good for subtraction. Why? Because see, I will subtract two numbers. Say 7 is one whole number. See, 9 is another whole number. If you subtract this, 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. It is not a whole number. For subtraction of whole number, closure property not holds good, because if you subtract two whole numbers, you will get a integer here. Minus 2 is not a whole number, it is an integer. Okay, so this is for whole number. But now what happens for integers? Not for whole numbers, but integers, what happens? Closure property. See, for example, if you add any two integers, for example, integers you have seen. What are integers or which are integers? Can you recall? See, all positive, negative, along with the zeros. If you write on the number line, all negative number, all positive number, and zero together constitute integers, isn't it? If you add any two integers, it may be positive, negative, or whatever it may be. If you add, let us take two integers, say minus 3 plus minus 4. If you add these two integers, so these two integers, these are two integers. Whatever the sum of these two, minus 3 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is also a integer. Therefore, this, or let us take one more. See, I will write a positive integer 5 plus minus 2, a negative integer. What is the sum? 5 plus minus 2 is equal to plus 3. See, 5 plus minus 2 is equal to plus 3. Or say minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. See, here if you add two integers, minus 3 is an integer, 4 is another integer, 1 is also an integer. Therefore, if two integers are added, then the sum is also an integer. Therefore, we can conclude that closure property or integers are closed under addition. So, closure property means if two integers are added, the sum is also an integer. Sum is also an integer. Therefore, we can say what? Integers are closed. Integers are closed under addition. Now, what about subtraction? What about subtraction? Now let us see. If you subtract this minus 3 minus 4, I will subtract. What is the answer of this? Minus 3 minus minus 4 means minus 3 plus 4. The meaning is minus 3. Minus of minus is plus. The answer is 1. See here, minus 3 and minus 4 are subtracted. Two integers are subtracted. The sum is also integer. It may be positive or negative. It is integer. Or see 7 minus 6. That is equal to 7 plus 6. Minus of minus plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 is also an integer. Therefore, we can say integers are closed under subtraction also. Not only addition, integers are closed. Integers are closed under subtraction. Closed under subtraction. Subtraction also. If you subtract any two integers, the difference is also an integer. So this is about the closure property. Next, see commutative property. What is commutative property? So this is closure property. Next property is commutative property. What is commutative? If any two commutative property. What is commutative property? Commutative property means if any two integers are added and if you reverse the order. See, for example, I will take two integers, say 5 plus another integer, say 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 5. If you reverse the order, see 5 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 5. Is it same? Let us see. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 5 is also 12. It's same. Isn't it? So in general we can say A plus B is equal to B plus A. B plus A. So this is commutative property. A plus B is equal to B plus A is a commutative property. Let us take any negative integer. Say minus 3 plus minus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus minus 3. Is it correct? See, minus 3 plus 5 is equal to minus 8. Is also equal to minus 5 plus minus 3 is also minus 8. So, if you add any two integers and the sum is equal to if you add the reverse order of the integers. If you reverse the integers and if you add, it becomes same answer or same sum. It gives same result. Therefore, we can say, what we can say? Integers is commutative under addition. We can say integers are commutative or addition is commutative for integers. Addition is commutative for integers. So remember, addition is commutative for integers. Commutative for integers. Now what about subtraction? What about subtraction? What happens the answer? So addition what happens? A plus B. In general A plus B is equal to B plus A. It remains same. Answer remains same. But for subtraction what happens? Commutative property. See, if any two integers are subtracted, is it equal to the sum of the reverse orders of the numbers? See, for example, 4 plus 7 is equal to, so 4 minus 7, or see, that is for subtraction. 8 minus 5. 5 minus 8, is it same? Let us see. 8 minus 5, what is the sum? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 5 minus 8, what is the sum? Minus 3. It is not equal, isn't it? 8 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 8. So, it is not holds good for commutative property. Therefore, we can say addition is commutative for integer, but subtraction is not commutative for integers. Why? A minus B may or may not be equal to B minus A sometime. Okay, it is not equal to B minus A. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Therefore, we can say subtraction is not commutative for addition. Okay, so subtraction is not commutative, but addition is commutative for integers. So this is second property of integers. And the third property is associative property. Associative property. What is this associative property? See, What is the meaning of associative property? If three numbers are taken and in that two numbers are grouped together, and if you add that one to the third number, for example, I will take three integers, say -2, -1 and -5. I will take three integers like that. If these three integers are taken together, the sum of these three, -2 plus -1, if you add this one, if you add these two numbers are grouped, and if you add the third one to this -5, if you add to this, is equal to the first number is added to the sum of next two digits, -1 plus -5. Is these numbers are equal? If it is equal, commutative property holds good. Let us see see that to understanding purpose, let us take two positive integers. For example, two positive integers. Look at this positive integer. See, three positive integers I will take 5, say 3, say 4. I will take these four integers, three integers. Now I will write 5 plus 3 plus 4 is it equal to, let us see, 5 plus 3 plus 4. Look at this. What I have done? I have grouped 5 plus 3 here. To the sum of that I have added the third one, 4. And here the first one is added to the next group of next two numbers. Look at this. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4. So you can write like this one. And here, if I group the next two numbers together, and to that sum, if I add this first one, what happens? 5 plus 7. We can write this one like this: 5 plus 3 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, isn't it? 5 plus 7 is also 12. Therefore, what we can say? Equal. 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, we can say 5 plus 3 plus 4. Look here, 5 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 4. The answers are same, isn't it? In general, we can write like this: a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. Here the groupings same. Here groupings a plus b, and here groupings b plus c. So a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So in general we can say, therefore the answers are same. Therefore we can say addition is associative for integers. Addition is associative for integers. Okay, this is about the associative property. Now additive inverse. What is this additive inverse? If you apply for this associative property for negative integer, then also a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. The same answer comes. Now additive inverse. What is this additive inverse? One term, additive inverse. Additive inverse means if you add a number or a digit to a particular integer, the sum should not change. The sum must be that number itself. Then that is called additive inverse. So, for example, I will say here -5. It is an integer. It is an integer. What if you add, the result remains same? When it becomes -5, you have to add something to this -5 to get to -5. You have to add 0. Is it done? 8. You have to get 8 itself. What you have to add? 0 you have to add. Therefore, if 0 is added to 8, you will get again 0. Therefore, 0 is called additive inverse of a number. So, additive inverse means additive inverse is always 0. So, additive inverse in the same way multiplicative inverse like that comes. So, or you can say additive inverse, or sometimes you can say it is identity also. Additive identity also. So, additive identity or additive inverse like that also can say additive identity. Better to use additive identity. Okay. Yes. Now, in this video we have seen about closure property of integers, then commutative property of integers, and associative property of integers. So one remember, integers are closed under addition, integers are closed under subtraction, and addition is commutative for integers, subtraction is also commutative for integers. Addition is associative for integers. So this one what you have studied. Notes I will send you, and some questions also I will draw. You have to write that notes in a book neatly and send me back. Okay. See you in my next video. Thank you one and all.